So moving into the 3D sound and phonics cards here, this is a very unique set of sound and phonics cards. So the main feature on this card is the lenticular image that moves when you tilt the card. So the image is going to show the movements of the mouth, tongue, and lips for 45 sounds of the English language. So Jessica has a lenticular image that she can demo on a white sample from the vendor here as well.
So you can kind of see it, it's a little hard over, but you could see it move. And then there's the little dot up here that tells you what position you're in.
Yeah, so the green dot would be the starting position of the sound, and the red dot would be the ending position. The sounds in this card set are organized and color coded by category or by the type of sound. So this is going to include consonants, short vowels, digraphs, long vowels, diphthongs, and R-controlled vowels as well. So this set is unique because it does include all 26 letters of the alphabet. So it can be used for letter sound recognition as well as sound formation. The front of the card here was designed to be student facing, and the front includes the letter or letter combination, as well as the associated sound. And then you can see an exemplar picture here showing the milk jug with the word milk below, highlighting where that letter is in that word, and then also the lenticular image that we just showed. And then the back of the card is going to provide more information about the letter and sound. So it's going to provide a sample script for how to introduce each card and how to make the sound, as well as word examples for additional practice with that sound. The Getting Started guide that's included also provides additional information about the sounds of the English language, as well as tips for using the 3D sound and phonics cards. So a really unique set here that we're excited about using this lenticular printing.